This market review is of the world famous Boeing 747. Well, this is the Dash 8 version, so it has the extended nose. It's a longer plane. This is the Lufthansa version. You can see here their emblem. It's a 144 scale model by Revell of Germany. There are the dimensions. And we have some pictures here of the model. And some details here about the plane. Let's have a look inside. It's a large box, so it's going to be a large model. And we have a lot of pieces here. So first of all, let's look at these sprues here, which includes our wings. They're long wings. You can see the engine pods that go on there. Here are the actuators for the flaps, and fairly well molded with some recessed lines. And here's our elevator stabilizer. And here's the other side. Same thing goes for this side. Next we have the fuselage. This is a very long plane. And even though it's 144 scale, it is still a large model. Here are all the recessed lines, and you can see the cockpit, windshield go there, all the windows. Nothing really on the inside, but you can see a lot of detail here on the tail, and the same goes for the other side. Next we're going to have a look at our engine parts. So here you can see our fan blades. They're very nicely molded. Looks like the quality though is not great. You've got some flashing here and there. And you've got our wheels, the turbo fans, the jet engine parts here, as well as here, the exhausts. Here are the parts for the wheels and landing gear. Here's our glass, and as you can see, there's glass for all the windows. That looks very nice. And so here we have another part for the engine, same exact one as the previous one. Here are the fan assemblies for the engines. There's our cockpit. Also have wheels and wheel well covers. Here's the lower end of the fuselage. And this looks like this might be a stand. We have some wheel well covers, and we have the actuators for the flaps. Here we have the stand. Some more details here for the wheel well covers and the wheel wells there. All the landing gear, fairly detailed and very well molded. Let's have a look at our instructions and decals. So here are the decals, and those are nicely printed. Good level of detail there. Here are the instructions. So there's the color listing. And we have the parts listing. And then depending on what version you want to build, you want to have the wheels up or down. You start off with the cockpit. And you start to build the landing gear. It looks like the nose gear. Next we're going to pull the main gear. And then we put the glass in the fuselage. Main gear goes in the fuselage. And the fuselage goes together. The lower end of the fuselage then goes on. Next we put our wheels together. Sorry, our wings together, as well as the elevator. The wings go on and are mounted onto the fuselage. Then next we put our actuators on. We start to build our engines. And landing gear are attached. Engines remaining are put together and then attached to the plane on the wings. Next, the wheels of the main gear are put together. And then the wheel well doors. Nose wheels go on, and remaining body parts, including the windshield, goes on. And that's if you want to build the stand. Here's the painting and decal guide. And here's it from the top. And here it is from the bottom. So all in all, fairly detailed, pretty good molding, great decals. It'll be a good kit.